Yeah, guys, yeah, just want to show you this design here. So I told you earlier that that old thing that that designer faced, I will remove it and then face another one. So I face it here. So this is how it looks like. This is the base here. Yeah, this is the base I use, and then look at it. I hope it's very good and fantastic, more than the previous one. So this is what I used for the base. Just the pillar decoration. So this is the base, and this is the full structure here. So as you can see, let me go back small for you to see it. So this is how the thing it looks like. I hope it is very nice, more it is very nice than the previous one here. So look at it, have a look at it. This breaker, when I was facing it, it broke. That's why there's a mark over here, and this too. So this is how it looks like. And this is the second one here. This is the second one. So the same designer I use here also. Yeah, it's how it looks like. Yeah, it's a square. I put it in a square like this, and then it is nice here. Yeah. Thank you. Follow my page, like my page, and share my videos, and comment your opinion on this artisan work. Thank you.